Sing with love, sing with joy, singing to the Lord. Are you big singer for Jay? Are you big singer for Jay?
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಪ್ರಿಯ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ನಾವೀಗ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಬಿಗ್ ಜೆ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಹೌಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕೆಲವೇ ಕ್ಷಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಸಿಂಗರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಜೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಗೊಳ್ಳಲಿದೆ.
ಟಿವಿ ಅರ್ಪಿಸುವ ಬಿಗ್ ಸಿಂಗರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಜೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಪ್ರಾಯೋಜಕರು ಕೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಉಡುಪಿ, ಲೋಂಬಾರ್ಡ್ ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಉಡುಪಿ, ಇಂಪ್ರಾ ರೆಫ್ರಿಜರೇಟರ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಉಡುಪಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗಲೂರ್, SBS ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಬಜಾರ್ ಉಡುಪಿ, ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ್ ಬಾಬಾ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗಲೂರ್, ಸಿಂಫನಿ ಈಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗಲೂರ್, ದಿ ಸೋಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗಲೂರ್, ಆಟೋಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕಿನ್ನಿಮುಲ್ಕಿ ಉಡುಪಿ, ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗಲೂರ್, ಯುಮಿನಾ ಮಸಾಲಾ, ಸಿಲೋಮ್ ಪೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಉಡುಪಿ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಪ್ರಿಯ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಬಿಗ್ ಜೆ ಟಿವಿ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸುವ ಬಿಗ್ ಸಿಂಗರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಜೆ ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನ್ ಗಾಸ್ಪಲ್ ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಹಂಟ್ ಇದರ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಕೊನೆಯ ಆಡಿಷನ್ಗೆ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತೇಸುವಿನ ಸುಮಧುರ ನಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. Hello, your good name?
My name is Genevieve.
Genevieve, where are you from?
I'm from Mangalore.
So since how long you been singing?
I think from when I was small, when I was tiny. Okay.
What made you to come here?
My friends actually told me that there's a competition here, so if you would like to join, so that's how I came here.
Yeah, all the best, Genevieve.
Thank you. My name is Genevieve, and I'll be singing a Celtic woman version. When I am down and oh my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burden be, then I am still and wait here in silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be.
Oh, okay. If you don't mind, can you sing the scale in the song on a lower?
D scale.
Yeah, C. You want to D?
When I am down and oh my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burden be, then I am still and wait here in silence until you come and sit a while with me.
Okay. Yeah, Genevieve. See, the song, people know it. Number one. Yeah, it's very, very, very popular track. Have you heard like the original? How the song? Yeah. So just see what nice feelings they have and how well they sing it with more devotion. And though you have a very nice voice, I'm not saying no, you have a very nice voice and you have sung it well, but then you play an instrument?
I know.
You don't? Okay. See, the scale is very important when you get to know it's a singing competition. You should know what your range is, how high you can go and how low you can go. So you need to select that pitch. Okay. With regard to the performance of this song, I'm sure you could have done much better. You have that potential. You could have done much better. Yeah, we'll just see what Mr. John has to say.
Hi.
Hello.
This actually this smile would have been there in the song also. You are very serious. Whether I don't know whether you are nervous
Yeah,
or
I was nervous.
you are nervous. Why?
I don't know. I was just nervous.
Okay, fine. But still, I expect now we wanted a presentation. Like, we were expecting little more. And one more thing, you have to remember what our Sanjay has told. He raised me up maybe in this season. Majority of children have sung that song. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಓಡಬೇಕು, ಅದಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂತೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಂಗರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈವನ್ ದ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವೆದರ್ ಸಂಜಯ್ ಅಗ್ರಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಐತೆ. ದರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಮೆನಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ದ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿ ನೀಡೆಡ್ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೀನು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಾಗ ಸಹ ಜನರು ಮುಖ್ಯ ನೋಡುವಂಥ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಸೊ ಆಗ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಜನರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಬರಲಿ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಸೊ ದ ಸಂಜಯ್
Genevieve, will you assure us that you will work?
Yeah, I'll show you that.
Yeah. And no more nervousness. Why nervousness? What have
I
we
don't
done
know.
to you?
Otherwise, I know I was not that nervous when I entered here. I don't know. I just got nervous.
You first of all you forgot the song title.
Yeah, I was like that nervous that when I entered, I'm just like, oh, I just forgot the song. So that got me even more nervous. I didn't go to sing then.
Okay. Well, this
We need presentation.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
And even the notes also, because we have
just concentrate properly
Yes.
on the pitch that you take. The rest will fall in place properly. The pitch that you take, no? Okay. So with that assurance, we select you for the next round.
Thank you, sir.
Genevieve, how was your experience?
It was a good experience, and they told me a lot of like corrections and they asked me why I was so nervous and all that. So I think for the next round, I'll make sure that I take those corrections and I, improve my, performance next time.
So, you got selected? Yes, congratulations.
Impra Refrigerators Sales and Service, Udupi and Mangalore, SBS Fabric Super Bazaar, Udupi, Vishwas Baba Builders, Mangalore, Symphony, Eastern and Western Musical Instruments, Mangalore, The Soul for Western Music Professional School, Mangalore, Autoland Kinimulki, Udupi, Western Institute of Technology, Mangalore, Imina Masala, Siloam Pools and Water Solutions, Udupi.
Are you big singer for Jay? Are you big singer for Jay?
Hello,
Hello,
your good name?
Swaroop.
Swaroop, where are you from?
I'm from Mangalore.
So you're a student?
I got graduated this year from St. Aloysius, so I'm actually an employee right now.
Great. So, who made you to come here?
It's my parents actually. My mom and dad and my sister, they gave an audition over here. So they were like, you better get done with yours. I was not pretty confident, but then let me see, I'll give it a try.
All the best.
Thank you. Thank you. My name is Swaroop. I'm from Mangalore. When you feel alone, cut off from the screw on, you're growing desperate from those fights. Remember your God and those angel voices. They'll sing to you, they'll be your guide back home when life leaves us blind. Love keeps us kind when life leaves us blind. Love leaves us kind. Whoa, oh, whoa, oh, whoa, oh. Thank you.
We have selected you for the next round.
God bless.
Thank you.
So, what happened inside?
It was really exciting to be honest, because I've been playing for other bands actually, but when I entered in, it was a little bit challenging for me. I loved it actually, and they loved me too. At the same time, they gave me a little bit, information related to how can we improve and stuff like that. And to have a good news, I guess I'm selected. They actually mentioned it. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's all. I'm pretty excited for the next round actually.
Can you share what was the information they've given you?
Yeah, it's about the scale and it's about the accent what you keep. So maybe I made a little bit mistake related to that stuff, which I didn't realize when I was actually performing. But then they actually professionally they mentioned it, what should be done and what not should be done. So it was really informative for me. So it helped me a lot and it can help me further on.
Congratulations and God bless you.
Thank you so much.
Are you big singer 4J? Are you big singer 4J?
Hello,
Hello,
your good name?
my name is Kenneth Isaac Lara.
Kenneth, where are you from?
I'm from Mangalore, I come from CSI Vishranti Church, Pakavatna.
Okay. So, since when you started singing?
Around second standard or third standard, ma'am.
So, is this your first platform?
Yes, it's my first platform, like recording stuff and all, it's first platform. Then I used to sing in a college, school and inter-college competitions and all that.
Who promoted you?
My mom, she personally forced me to come here, so I'm here today.
All the best.
Hello sir, my name is Kenneth and I'm from Mangalore and I came from the CSI Vishranti Church and I'm gonna sing a devotional song, Sampurnavada Ninna Kripe.
Great.
ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾದ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾದ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾದ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾದ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ಬೆಳಕನು ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ಬೆಳಕನು ನೀಡಿದಂತ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ನೀಡಿದಂತ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾದ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾದ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾದ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾದ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಪಾಪಿಗೆ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ನೀಡಿದಂತ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಪರಲೋಕದ ಭಾಗ್ಯವ ದಯಪಾಲಿಸಿದ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಆತ್ಮದೇವನೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಆರಾಧ್ಯ ದೈವವೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಆತ್ಮದೇವನೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಆರಾಧ್ಯ ದೈವವೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾದ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾದ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಕರುಣೆಯ ತೋರಿದ ಪರಿಶುದ್ಧವಾದಂತ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ನಿತ್ಯವಾದ ಮರಣದಿಂದ ಕಾಪಾಡಿದಂತ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಆತ್ಮದೇವನೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಆರಾಧ್ಯ ದೈವವೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಆತ್ಮದೇವನೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಆರಾಧ್ಯ ದೈವವೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾದ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾದ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾದ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾದ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾದ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್
Kenneth, how well you sing, man. Such pleasant voice you have. The body you have, no, that voice doesn't suit.
Yeah, sir.
It is so pleasant. It's very nice, very soothing.
Thank you, sir.
You sang with a lot of devotion. That's what I like. And even the way you played the guitar was so good that, I'm not talking about the style you played, but the volume. You had such good control of volume. when you're playing the guitar, you knew that this is a singing competition and I must sing first and this is only for me. The guitar is only for me. That's all, no? That's
Thank
you
you,
knew it.
Thank you, sir.
The good. One thing, Kenneth, you'll have to take care of your breath, okay? You should know where to take in breath and where to leave out breath. Because then, if you hurry up singing,
Yes.
okay, I'm going out of breath, and then I have to hurry up that line. You know, it will spoil the whole, that line, no? You spoil that line. So just when you're singing any song, practice where to take in breath and leave out breath.
Yes.
Remember, number one, breath.
Yes, sir.
And number two, when you're taking high notes,
Yes, sir.
please hit the right note. Don't just just pass that note and come back. Hit that note and then the next. So all the high notes, hit it right and then the next. Okay? So breath control and high notes. Just keep in mind these two things. Presentation, John sir will talk to us.
ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಕೆನತ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತು ಇವರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಬ್ರೆತ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅವಸರ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಅದು ಯಾವುದು, ಆತ್ಮಸ್ವರೂಪ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ, ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾದ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆ. ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಅದು. ಅದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅವಸರ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಡಿವೋಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಆತ್ಮಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಹಾಡುವಂಥ ಹಾಡದು. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಇನ್ನೊಂಚೂರು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಮುಂದಿನ ಸಲ ಬರುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೆಪ್ಪೆಲ್ಲ ಇರಲಿ ಒಂಚೂರು, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಒಂಚೂರು ಪಂಚೆಲ್ಲ ಇರಲಿ.
We have selected you for the next round, Kenneth. But please keep in mind the notes and the breath control.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Yes.
Thank you, sir.
How was your experience?
It was very nice, ma'am. I felt very good by getting selected and got good comments also. And like I had some mistakes and all. Then next episode I'll do my best. I'll give my best.
Okay. Congratulations and God bless you.
ಬಿಗ್ ಜೆ ಟಿವಿ ಅರ್ಪಿಸುವ ಬಿಗ್ ಸಿಂಗರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಜೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಪ್ರಾಯೋಜಕರು ಕೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಉಡುಪಿ, ಲೋಂಬಾರ್ಡ್ ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಉಡುಪಿ, ಇಂಪ್ರಾ ರೆಫ್ರಿಜರೇಟರ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಉಡುಪಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗಲೂರ್, SBS ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಬಜಾರ್ ಉಡುಪಿ, ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ್ ಬಾಬಾ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ Mangalore, Symphony, Eastern and Western Musical Instruments, Mangalore, The Soulfar Western Music Professional School, Mangalore, Autoland Kinimulki, Udupi, Western Institute of Technology, Mangalore, Imuna Masala, Siloam Pools and Water Solutions, Udupi.